Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use filters on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app, go for this plus icon here. So now you can click photo from here or otherwise you can shoot a video for 15 seconds or 60 seconds or 10 minutes. So after that, if you want to add filters on your video, so go for here filter section and you can use any kind of filter from here. You can see in this portrait section you can add any of it, or in this landscape section you can find more filters, and you can find more in this food section, this vibe. Okay, so go back and you can go for this beautify, and you can also add filters from here, and you can do it less and more from here. Okay, after that when you are done, okay, after that just go for this check and you can post it from here. So guys, this is how you can use filters on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.